Using Sky Store, the home of the latest movies and TV shows to rent or buy. This is Sky Store. If you've never signed into Sky Store before, go to skystore.com/sign in. Sign in with your Sky ID to activate your account. Near your Sky glass, say, "Hello Sky, open Sky Store," or scroll down to Apps and Inputs and choose Sky Store. Sign in with your Sky ID. Choose from thousands of movies and TV shows, including the latest Sky Store premieres. Select a title you want to buy or rent. You can purchase a digital copy, which will be stored on your Sky Store account. You can add an offer code if you have one. You can buy a DVD or Blu-ray version, which will be delivered to your home within 7 working days. You'll also get a digital copy ready to watch at any time. For rentals, you have up to 48 hours to watch once you press play. If you have a voucher, scroll to Redeem Voucher, enter your code and press Redeem. You'll find your purchases in My Library. Any purchases you make on the Sky Store website will show on your Sky Glass. You can view all Sky Store content on your PC, Mac, Now TV, or on your iOS and Android devices via the Sky Store app. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say My Sky to your Sky Glass.